SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For the KPI to be useful, it needs to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or SMART. Remember, specific means needs to be a clear and concise statement of precisely what is required. Measurable needs to be quantified to gauge achievement. Achievable needs to be realistic given available resources and context. Relevant needs to provide useful data to gauge critical areas of performance. Time-bound needs to be set with a specific time frame for achievement and measurement. The original versions of the SMART acronym is often attributed to the management writer Peter Drucker. However, you may encounter several variations of SMART in your studies, such as the following. First, simple, meaningful, appropriate, relevant, and time-bound. Specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. The acronym SMARTER adds two further areas. First, ethical, in bracket, fair and transparent, and recorded, in bracket, documented, evaluated and reviewed. The scoring and weighting of KPIs needs to be agreed as part of supplier performance management. The scoring and weighting of KPIs needs to be agreed as part of supplier performance management. The following checklist can be used when creating KPIs. First, can each KPI be assessed and compared objectively? Does each KPI give consistent results? Can each KPI be used to identify issues or trends? Second, are all the KPIs clear and unambiguous? Are they understood by all parties? Are the KPIs genuinely useful, or do they measure only what is easy to measure? Does each KPI assess only what is necessary to determine contract performance and supplier performance? 4. Is the number of KPIs proportionate to the value, term, complexity, and risk of the contract? Are there too many or too few? 5. At what times or intervals is data collected, and are these appropriate? 6. Do the KPIs identify and encourage performance improvement over the whole life of the contract? Seven, is there a periodic KPI review process to ensure that KPIs continue to be suitable and relevant? 8. How is data collected? Once collected, what is the process for understanding and interpreting the results? 9. Is it necessary to outsource collections and interpretations of performance data?